Hey everyone, I wanted to come in again and just show you behind the scenes of the member app that is available on the computer and on your phone, because I still get a lot of questions. Is it worth it? It's a lifetime fee of $99, or if you do the VIP, it's $500. The main difference between the VIP and the regular, the 500 and the 900, is the VIP gets a 25% coupon code towards any retreat, any workshop forever. And they also get 25% off in all of our stores, shopanabrand.com, our backdrop store, Creative Dream Drops, and anything they do, they get 25% off. So that is also a good deal. But even if you do the basic membership, which is one fee forever, $99, it's still a good deal, especially because in here, I even posted on this post is a coupon for $100 for an in-person workshop that's valid for the next 24 hours. So that alone is worth it. But even if not, you get a permanent discount to shopanabrand.com, our store, which is a 20% discount forever. So that alone is worth it. When you're here in the app, if you scroll on the left, you're going to see all sorts of things. We have growth challenges. Art of Maternity has several videos in here. We talk about creating shadows, creating walls. I mean, there's tons of different videos. That's when we were creating shadows. This is when we were creating walls. We did a video on semi-nude. We did nude. We did fabric. That's just one piece. Then you go along the line. There's baby holiday setups. There's baby plans. There's a downloads area, there's editing, there are guides I showed today. There's over 10 different guides in here. You can go into your these are all the previous live workshops that have recordings in here. We talk about newsletters. There's the marketing boot camp in here. You'll see a posing, not that posing video, that one's being reloaded. There's a 7-day holiday prep challenge that we did. This was from a different live maternity. This was a live newborn. This is display guide. That's a recording. Plus you have the baby safety certification course that's included. There's so many different things in here. And it's one of those things that we're always adding new things. So it's not like the content is just never going to be added. So the $99 is, I think, a really good offer. Hopefully other members will back me up. Obviously you don't have to do it, but today's the last day to get it for $99. So hopefully this helps somebody make a decision. In addition, today is Tuesday, October 3rd. It is 7:30 a.m. in California. At 2 p.m. we'll be going live with my client's Baby in the Box session. So hope to see you there.